Are you tired of throwing money away on home rentals? Do you want to become a homeowner, but perhaps have issues with your credit? Think you can't qualify for a loan to buy the home? Well, we have great news for you. You can. With our lease-to-own program, you can move into the home of your choice while we help you repair your credit to qualify for a loan in the future. You will have the sole right to buy the home at a set price, so you don't have to worry about housing prices rising too high. There's no bank qualifying in order to move in. You can simply choose one of our homes, or through our Perfect Match program, we help you find a lease-to-own home of your own choosing. Then you simply put down 5% of the purchase price, which is also known as an option fee, 100% of which goes towards the purchase and closing costs when you buy the home, so you don't waste any more money. And bad credit is okay, because we cater especially to people who are recovering from credit issues. We make it so you can move into the home of your dreams without waiting to qualify. Let's take a look at an example to see how it works. Let's say the home you want is $100,000 with a monthly payment of $1,000. You put 5% down, which is $5,000. This money can come from anywhere: a 401k loan, a tax refund, a credit card cash advance, a family gift, a private loan, etc. The bank will see you've already put 5% down, so you only need to finance $95,000. The 5% can also be used to cover closing costs, so you may not even have to bring anything to the closing table when you buy. You lock in the $100,000 price today, but if the home is worth more when you go to buy, all that equity is yours. That equity can then be used to finance home improvements and upgrades if you wish. We always strive for win-win solutions for our clients. So if you're interested in hearing more, simply type in your contact information and we'll send you some free, no obligation information. Don't delay on living the American dream. Move on with your life and start your path to own the home you want today.